In order to add texture to text on Canva, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Canva, go to the left menu and select over here where it says apps. And we're going to be using an app called Font Frame. So be sure to go ahead and search it up. It is completely free. And also be sure to not include any spaces. Make sure it's just one word, Font Frame, and then you're going to be able to see the app. So you just want to go ahead and press on it and you're able to go ahead and add your text. So let's include example right over here. You guys are able to change like the font and stuff like that. You can change the thickness of it. This is really all up to you and you can really customize it to your liking. So what you guys are able to do is you're able to go ahead and press on this option that says choose file. And then you could use any image on your PC as a texture. So let's go ahead and use this red brick wall that I just got from Google right over here. And check this out. It's now going to be here and you can go ahead and like adjust it. And then once you're done with that, you're able to press on add to design. And now check this out. We now have our own custom texture text right over here on Canva for completely free. And of course, you can go ahead and adjust things to your liking, make the stroke bigger, etc. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.